Hi, I'm Sarah from Graco. I'm going to show you how to install your Slimfit3 LX 3-in-1 car seat featuring anti-rebound bar in rear-facing mode with a vehicle seat belt. To get started, attach the anti-rebound bar at the front of the car seat. This must be used in rear-facing mode. Next, ensure the tether strap and the UAS strap and connectors are in their storage location. Use the recline handle at the front of the car seat to adjust the recline to positions 1 or 2 marked on the blue label. Make sure it clicks into place. Place the car seat rear facing in your vehicle. Make sure the base of the car seat is flat on the vehicle seat and at least 80% of the base is on the vehicle seat. Now, check the level indicator to ensure the bubble is completely within the blue zone. If it's not, adjust the recline. Route the seatbelt through the rear-facing belt path marked with a blue label. For easier access, you can lift the soft goods on the front of the seat for better visibility. If the buckle is in the middle or innermost position, then route the belt in front of it. If the buckle is in the front position, then route the belt behind it. Make sure the seatbelt is flat and not twisted across the belt path and buckle it in. Now you can lock your retractor. In most vehicles, you pull the seatbelt all the way out, and as you let it back in, you will hear a click. This is how you know it is locked. Next, push firmly in the center of the seat and pull on the shoulder belt to tighten while feeding the slack back into the retractor. Test for tightness. Place your hands at the rear-facing belt path and move the seat side to side and front to back. It should not move more than 1 inch. Finally, reattach the seat pad and recheck the level indicator to ensure it's still completely in the blue zone. Your car seat is now installed.